For decades, homeowners have relied on the Lawn Genie brand for professional quality, easy-to-install irrigation products at everyday values. Adapted from professional-grade equipment, Lawn Genie valves are the heart of countless irrigation systems, reliably performing day after day, year after year. With their proven performance, Lawn Genie ANTI-SIPHON valves combine a valve and backflow prevention device in one unit to provide built-in protection of drinking and other household water from contamination. Also, in the Lawn Genie valve lineup are the inline valves, which can be installed below ground and housed in a plastic valve box and placed anywhere in the landscape. The smooth, flow-through design of these rugged automatic valves provide optimal performance in both potable as well as dirty water applications when used with a separate backflow prevention device. For easy maintenance and repairs, Lawn Genie offers all the right parts and accessories that were designed with ease of maintenance in mind and work for valves installed up to 50 years ago. With Lawn Genie valve adapters available for both plastic and brass valves, you can easily convert a manual valve to automatic. And with the added feature of a jar-top bonnet design on some models, repairs and maintenance can be made simple. Watering your yard with time-tested Lawn Genie irrigation valves makes it easy and worry-free, so you can spend more time enjoying your home's landscaping and less time watering. Trust in the Lawn Genie brand for performance-proven reliability to last for decades. For professional quality, easy-to-install irrigation valves at everyday values. You can feel confident in Lawn Genie valves to handle your landscape watering needs safely and reliably. For more information, please visit lawngenie.com.